Welcome back to TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz 2019, where the correct scores are Linstead Primary on 5 points, Excelsior Primary actually on 4 points. Excelsior Primary lost a point for the answer given compass. We were looking for compass rose, so a point was deducted. Time now for the Junior Challenge face-off. In this section, individual team members face off in the categories of math, science, social studies, and English language. First face-off, it's in mathematics. It's between Jadil Panton of Linstead Primary up against Kristen Senior of Excelsior Primary. Jadil, we begin with you. What is 11 over 16 minus 2 over 3? Giving your answer in the lowest terms. Time's up. Kristen, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1 over 48. Jadil, a club sold 100 tickets. Each ticket costs $19.95. How much money did the club collect?
$1,995.
That's right. Jadil, what is 30% of 340?
$52.2.
That's incorrect. Kristen, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 102. Jadil, $1,600 is shared between John and Joe in the ratio 4 to 6. What is John's share?
$640.
That's right. What's the mean average of 152, 88, and 120? Time's up. Kristen, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 280.
That's incorrect. It's 120. Kristen, we're still with you though. What is 4 over 5 minus 7 over 15? Giving your answer in the lowest terms. Time's up. Jadil, want to try?
This is 1/3.
Say again?
1/3.
That is correct. Kristen, a school bought 1,000 pens, with each pen costing $2.40. How much money did the school spend on the pens?
$2,400.
That's right. What's 40% of 360? Question passes to Jadil. Would you like it? It's 144. Kristen, if I share $1,600 between Paul and Peter in the ratio 3 to 5, what's Peter's share? Question passes to Jadil.
This is $1,000.
$1,000 is correct. Kristen, what's the mean average of 112, 98, and 90?
$100.
That is correct. Taking us now to face-off number 2. It's in the category of science. It's between Issa Summers of Linstead Primary. Issa is going up against Danielle Preston of Excelsior Primary. Issa, we begin with you. What substance is produced by the lacrimal gland in the human eye?
Tears.
That's right. A flame needs air, heat, and what else to burn?
Coal.
That's incorrect. Danielle, want to try?
No.
Okay, the answer is fuel. It's apart from its lungs, what does a frog breathe through?
Its skin.
That's right. Complete this statement correctly. Anything that has mass and takes up space is called?
An object?
That's incorrect. Daniel?
No.
It's called matter. Issa, what's the name of rocks formed by fire?
Igneous rocks.
That is right. Daniel, we're now over to you. What's another name for the lacrimal gland in the human eye?
Pituitary gland.
That's right. Why is sand or soil effective in putting out a small fire? Time's up. Issa, want to try?
No, miss.
Because it prevents oxygen from getting to the flame. Daniel, the fish uses its gills in what essential process?
To breathe.
That's right. Complete this statement correctly. Air has mass and exerts a force. This force is called?
Air resistance.
Judges. That's incorrect, Issa.
No, miss.
Air pressure is what we were looking for. Daniel, what's the name of rocks formed by the changing of other rocks?
Sedimentary rocks.
That's incorrect, Issa.
Yes, miss. Metamorphic rocks.
That is correct. Taking us now to face off and number 3. It's in the category of English language. It's between Raisha McIntosh of Linstead Primary. Raisha is up against Olivia Thompson of Excelsior Primary. Raisha, what preposition usually follows the word longing?
For.
That's right. Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. I went to school today.
I will be going to school today.
That's incorrect. Olivia?
I am going to school today.
That is correct. Raisha, give a 5-letter word starting with C, which describes the sound made by a door hinge.
Creek.
That's correct. What's the correct pronunciation of the word spelt D-E-P-O-T, which means a place for storing goods?
Depot.
That's right. Spell the homonyms, which mean a fictitious story and the flexible extension of the rear of an animal.
T-A-L-E and T-A-I-L.
That is correct. Olivia, we're now over to you. What preposition usually follows the word interested?
In.
That's right. Change this sentence to the past tense. I am writing a letter to my teacher.
I will write a letter to my teacher.
That's incorrect. Raisha, want to try?
Yes, miss. I wrote a letter to my teacher.
That is correct. Olivia, give a 5-letter word starting with C, which describes the sound made by a large church bell.
Cling.
That's incorrect, Raisha.
No, miss.
It's chime. Olivia, what's the correct pronunciation of the word spelt A-R-C-T-I-C, which relates to regions around the North Pole?
Arctic.
Judges. That's incorrect, Raisha.
Yes, miss. Arctic.
Say again.
Arctic.
That is correct. Olivia, spell the homonyms, which mean a portion of a material or object and a period of no war.
P-I-E-C-E and P-E-A-C-E.
That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off. It's in the category of social studies. It's between Patria K. Thompson of Linstead Primary. Patria K is up against Alexia Douglas of Excelsior Primary. Patria K, what causes planets to be held in their orbit?
Because of the gravity.
That's because of gravity, judges. Accepted? That's correct. Well, sun's gravity, that's correct. Patria K, in the parish council system in Jamaica, what's the name of each section of a parish represented by one councillor?
Mayor.
That's incorrect. Alexia.
No, thank you.
It's a division. Patria K, which parish borders St. Anne to the west in Jamaica?
Trelawney.
That's right. By what other name is the desert, by what other name is the dessert called Pinch Me Round, known in Jamaica?
Gizada.
That is correct. Where do lines of longitude meet on the globe?
Equator.
That's incorrect, Alexia.
Thank you.
It's at the poles. Alexia, we're now over to you. What's the name of the Earth's only permanent natural satellite?
The pole. The pole.
That's incorrect, Patriarchy.
No.
It's the moon. Alexia, what's the title given to the head of a municipal corporation in Jamaica?
Mayor.
That is correct. Which parish borders Manchester to the west in Jamaica?
St. Elizabeth.
That's right. The leaf of which plant is most often used in the Jamaican dessert, taya leaf or dukunu? Time's up, Patriarchy.
Yes, Miss Banana Leaf.
Banana leaf is correct. Alexia, the most famous line of longitude is the prime meridian, which passes through which town in England? Time's up. Patriarchy, want to try?
No, Miss.
Passes through Greenwich. And that brings us to the end of our final face-off and the end of section 2. We're on Linstead Primary, 23 points. Excelsior Primary on 12 points. Stay with us. The final challenge is up next.